Okay, Learning Workbook, page 210, next example. Write as a single logarithm. 5 log base 4 of the sum 7x plus 1 plus 1/5 log base 4 of the sum x plus 9. Okay, the most common mistake that students make with this problem is they try to break this log into two pieces. That cannot be done because the argument is a sum, not a product. You can only break a log into two pieces if the argument is a product or a quotient, not a sum or a difference. Said another way, you can only break a log into two pieces if the argument contains two things that are being multiplied or divided, not two things that are being added or subtracted. Okay, so in order to combine these two logs into one, they have to have the same base, which they do, and they have to have no numbers in front of them. So we need to get rid of this 5 and get rid of this 1/5 using the using the power property. So we're going to move this here and we're going to move this here. So this is going to give us log base 4 of the sum 7x plus 1 to the 5th power plus log base 4 of the sum x plus 9 to the 1/5 power. Now, if you're writing on lined paper, it's really important to make sure that you're writing all of these things in the correct place. The word log and the argument 7x plus 1 are written on the line. The 4, which is the base, is a subscript written below the line. And the 5, which is the exponent of the argument, is a superscript written above the line. Okay, so now we have two logs with the same base and no numbers in front. So by the product property for logarithms, we can combine these together. And so this is going to be log base 4 of, and because the two logs are being added, we multiply the two arguments. So we get 7x plus 1 to the 5th power times x plus 9 to the 1/5 power. And we use a big set of parentheses around the entire thing to indicate that we're taking the log of the product, the log of this entire thing, not just the log of the first one.